Hello, today I'm in Opel Combo. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. Firstly, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel, thanks to which we can activate cruise control and speed limiter. And then we can manage these functions. On the right side, we can activate voice assistant, we can answer and end the calls, change radio volume, change radio source, radio station and mute the radio. If you press right here, you will use horn. And behind the steering wheel we've got two paddles, thanks to which we can change gears in manual mode. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.